This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring service and hardware basics so you don't chase phantom problems. First, verify your account and regional outage with carrier tools or a friend's device. This rules out network-side issues. Next, restart your phone, flip airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then off, and physically reinsert the SIM tray to receipt contacts. This often solves registration failures. If unsure, place the SIM in another phone to check whether the SIM or your device is at fault. Once you've isolated SIM versus device, dive into registration and settings. Manually select your carrier in mobile networks so the phone re-registers. This forces fresh communication with nearby towers. Then, open APN settings and restore carrier defaults, making sure mobile country code and network code match your provider. Incorrect APN blocks data and sometimes voice. Install any pending carrier or OS updates because radios and authentication protocols change. If those fail, perform a network finish by ruling out hardware and software interference before escalation. Remove any case or accessory that might shield the antenna and visually inspect the SIM slot and antenna region for corrosion or damage. Even small bends can prevent lock. Boot into safe mode to see if an app is disrupting radio services and uninstall suspect apps. If the problem persists after updating, backups and a factory reset can clear deep firmware faults. Finally, contact your carrier for provisioning checks or a repair shop for antenna or modem replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.